Well, I'm like a 100% tent camper kind of guy myself. I love being out with nothing but a piece of thin canvas between me and the outside world. But as it turns out, we do end up going camping often with people that have RVs. And you'll notice what we end up doing is setting up our chuck boxes outside their RVs. Here we're with hunting buddies Don and Taylor, and we just love being able to set up outside and prepare our meals out there. When it's nice outside, you want to be outside. Now, when I talk to my customers, I'm always surprised at how many of them are actually RV and camper trailer kinds of campers. Considering that I designed these chuck boxes for tent campers, but when I consider how we use the chuck boxes and how when we're camping with Don or anybody else that has an RV, we always set up our chuck boxes outside the camper because, again, when it's nice outside, you want to be outside. So really, it doesn't matter whether you have, your needs are strictly tent camping, perhaps primitive camping type guy like me, where you end up camping way back in the boonies and you can't get an RV back there, or whether you are an RV type camper like Don and Taylor, or whether you're just somebody who's wanting to chuck box so they can go out on camping vacations every year. Well, we have what you need. Have a look at blueskykitchen.com, and we'll get you set up with something that'll take care of your outdoor kitchen. Thanks for watching, and go camping.